Here we come to the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at Woodlands Mall in the Woodlands, Texas. It's a Schindler 330A installed in 2016. Just like the one at Nordstrom, but this one has the regular HD while the one at Nordstrom has a vendor assistant. This is one of the new stores that opened the last time I was here. I'm not going to film every new elevator in this entire mall because I only have this much time. Dual lanterns, nice. Two. Go down to one. There it goes, and that's it.